Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this hair. So I am using beauty supply store hair, and I do have a sew-in. I went to a local stylist and I had her sew it in because you guys, I cannot braid for the life of me. So this is just a natural curl pattern of the hair, and you guys can see I have leave out in the front. I did not manipulate this hair any type of way. This is the way the hair came. So the hair that I'm going to be using is by Empire, and it's 100% human hair, and I have the Bohemian curl in 14 inches in the color 1. I have the direct link down below. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning off my hair because I am going to be brushing these curls out. Yes, you guys, we are going to be brushing these curls out. Do not leave yet. I'm telling you, it's going to work. I didn't think it would work either, but this just came out so bomb. So yeah, I'm just sectioning off my hair. And now I'm just going in with my diamond brush, and I'm going to be using that to brush out the curls. You can use any brush, a paddle brush. This is just the one that I had on hand. So I'm going to brush out the curls all over my head, starting with the back. That I can't break. Too much pressure on me. Too much I don't wanna change. See everybody's trying to make a way, but I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Yeah, I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. It ain't all bad. No, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad. On the past times, suddenly everything becomes a memory. Okay, so to get these curls to pop, I'm going to go in with my water bottle, and I'm just going to go ahead and saturate the whole head. And honestly, this is really all I really needed. I did later go in with conditioner, but this water just made this hair just come to life, and it just looks like totally different here. Like you kind of see it already. Like obsessed. I text my sister and I just telling her how obsessed I am with this hair. I am. Before I post this video, I'm going to go back on the site and buy more of the hair. Just look at that. It's so good. So I'm going to go back on the site and buy more hair before you girls get to it because I need some on backup, okay? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finger detangle, and then you guys see me go back in with my diamond brush as well. And this is what it looks like compared to the other side that I brushed out. Like, just look at that. It is popping. Like, you guys, can you believe that I paid under $100 for this hair? It was like a little bit over 50 with shipping, but again, direct link will be down below. But it's just like beauty supply has stepped it up. Like, I don't know where I've been, but I've just been so against beauty supply store hair. I don't know why. Got a little couple extra dollars and started buying them bundles, but honestly, you guys, this has been better than the bundles. I haven't got any matting, any just no issues with this hair, and I've had it for 3 days now. And I got some curly bundles I ordered for over $300 in the closet, and it's matting up at the neck. So I don't know. So I was gonna go in with my Cantu, and I want to put that on the hair. Again, you guys, I didn't need to do this because this hair was just popping on its own, but you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my leave-in conditioner. And this is the back of the head after I've done, and it's just popping, you guys. Like, no effort, just popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the front, and I'm just gonna repeat those same steps by brushing it out and then just applying the water and conditioner. Thinking back, I probably should have wet the hair before I brushed it out, just because like with natural hair, you don't want to brush dry hair. It's easier when it's wet, but you know, you live and you learn. It didn't really hurt the hair at all, me doing it this way, but if you're going to try this, probably just wet the hair first, and it just probably makes it go a lot faster as well. So yeah, I'm just going to brush through all of the hair using my diamond brush. And that braid you guys see in the front, that is not like a braid that's supposed to have a track on it. That's actually part of my leave out. It just looks weird because like this is the side where my frontal literally just beat the mess out of me probably like 3 years ago, and my edges have just been thin on this side ever since. And at this point they're just not growing back because I've tried, Jamaican black castor oil, everything, and massaging them, like they just won't grow back. I don't know what's wrong with this hair. But yeah, it doesn't look bad once I put gel on it. But yeah, this is my struggle side that you guys are seeing. So once I take that braid out and put the gel, it'll blend really nicely with the weave. And now I'm just going in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. And you guys, just look at this hair. Like, this looks like completely different hair, doesn't it? Like, I'm impressed. Like, I am just blown away by this hair.
So many people stuck in indecision. They can't find a light, they don't see a vision. But you know what they say, age it come with wisdom. I'm learning every day not to pay attention. Cause I got bills on bills, so much money to be made. I got generational curses that I can't break. Too much pressure on me, too much I don't wanna change. See everybody's trying to make a way, but I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Yeah, I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Bad, no, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad. Oh, no, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, no, can't be that bad, bad, bad. I've been busy for no reason. Take a break when I feel I had no meaning.
Okay guys, so now it's time to take down my leave out. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the braids on the side, and I'm also going to take down the leave out in the front. I do also have leave out on the back just in case I wanted to put my hair up in a ponytail or anything, but I already took that down prior to starting the video just to save a little time. So I'm going to go in with my water bottle and spray my hair. Again, you guys, I am working with blow dried hair, so it's going to take a little bit extra product to get my hair to revert back. So I'm going to go in with water, and I'm going to spray this thing down because we got a long way to go. Okay, if we're going to get this to blend, I need lots of product, lots of water, and yeah, so that's what you guys see me doing here. You guys, I hate blow drying my hair. The only reason I blow dried it was so I can go get a sew-in, but blow drying my hair is difficult. It's one of my least favorite things to do. I'd rather deal with natural hair any day. Blow dried hair, no bueno. Okay, so I'm gonna go with my favorite product, my Jamaican black castor oil water, which is just bomb. I do get it from Sally's. I will have a link below. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair. And you can see it slowly reverting, but it's just taking really long because of that heat. I'm telling you, the heat is the devil. So I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, of course, the Cantu. I do want a different leave-in conditioner, but this is just the one I've just been using, and it's just super affordable. I did recently learn that they are not black owned. I don't know why I assumed that they were, but I do want to pick up a black owned leave-in conditioner. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below.
Many people stuck in indecision. They can't find a light, they don't see a vision. But you know what they say, age it come with wisdom.
So now I'm going to go with my pink lotion, you guys. Yes, pink lotion. I have been using this for about 3 months now. Love it. I love it. I don't put oil in my hair anymore. I pretty much just use pink lotion because it just keeps my hair so moisturized. OG, right? OG product. You guys should definitely pick it up. It's still super bomb. So also I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel. And this is what's going to make my curls pop and make everything come together.
I've been busy for no reason. Take a break when I feel I had no meaning. Mama on my line, praying for better days. Telling me go on and put it all away. Cause I got bills on bills, so much money to be made. I got generational curses that I can't break. Too much pressure on me, too much I don't wanna change. See everybody's trying to make a way, but I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Yeah, I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. It ain't all bad. No, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be.
And now I'm just going in with my toothbrush, and I do have some Eco Styler gel on my brush, and I'm just going to brush back my edges to get everything to blend. And as you guys can see, it's slowly starting to blend, right? Like everything is becoming one, and that is what we want, okay? So my hair does look white, of course, because I have a lot of product on it, but once it dries, it's going to blend so nicely. I did get this hair again in the color 1, and my hair, I recently dyed it black, so it's going to just blend so nicely in. Obsessed. Shout out to my sister and my niece for putting me on, because I won't buy another curly bundle again. I do want this hair in longer lengths, but I only saw it in 14 inches. If you guys see it in longer length, let me know. But 14-inch was the longest that I found. And I'm just going in with my finger and just helping define the curls. And this is my hair, I want to say about 40% dry, and just look how good it blends. Like, it just looks so good. I can't stress enough how happy I am with this hair, and it's affordable. Like, listen, sold, okay, sold. So this is what it's looking like. I did go out this day, and my friends did not know this wasn't my hair. My friend Jackie, she was just like, wait, I thought that was your hair. I was like, no sis, Beauty Supply came through. So this is later on that night at about 2 a.m. This is what it's looking like. It's 100% dry, and I still love it, love it, love it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.